What is up, guys? Today we have a brief review and unboxing of the Baseus Adaman metal digital display quick charge power bank for 20,000 mAh 65 watt. Let's check it out. Let's open it, unbox it, and check out how it works. So basically what Baseus indicate to us is LED digital display screen, PD 3.0, quick charge 3.0 fast charging, 2 inputs and 3 outputs, 20,000 mAh battery capacity, full metal body. That's it. Basically, from backside we have the charging capacity here. So micro USB can charge up to 12 volts, 1.5 amperes, so 18 watt. For type C, it's up to 60 watt input, so you can charge at 60 watt speed. Actually, it's quite fast and good charging speed here. For USB 1 maximum, you can get 12 volts, 2.5 ampere, which is around 30 watt. You can get 28 watt here, or even more, 32 watt here. For USB 2, same. For type C, 65 watt, the maximum one, 20 volts, 325 ampere here. USB 1 plus USB 2 is 5 watts, 3 ampere, so 15 watt only. Type C plus USB is 45 watt plus 18 watt here. The weight is 450 gram. So let's check it out. Let's open it up finally. You have the package from Baseus brand, and it's always hard to open, but you can be sure that it's original. Okay, so here I need to cut it, I guess. Okay, let's find some scissors here and cut it out. Not enough, too strong. Okay, finally, open it up. Open one, open two. Okay, quite nice, but quite nice package. So what we have here, one cable, USB to USB-C, even not USB-C to USB-C. Very strange. Okay, no more cables here. Some stickers, of course. Warranty card. Some instructions in Chinese and English available. Actually, nothing very interesting here. The cable is short, branded cable, Baseus. Actually, you can see it here. And the power bank itself. Let's open it up and see how it looks like. Alright, so looks solid. The weight, you can feel it. It's 450 gram here. Bottom, 79% charged here. Okay, let's check it out. Metal, so shouldn't overheat, and screen showing the current charging. So here you also underline the output, input, and what kind of capacity it supports. So basically, advantage that you can charge it with micro USB in and use 3 ports at the same time. Also, USB-C can be used for input and output as well, and 2 USB outs here. I already mentioned the maximum capacity in watts here. From left side we have the branding here, and the front you have 65 watt, 20,000 mAh here. On the bottom again they repeat 20,000 here, and rated capacity, which is really important, with 5 volts, 3 ampere, is 12,000 mAh. And it claims more than 75% usability of it. Alright, so made in China, of course. So here you can find nothing interesting more. From left side you have the power on, power off button. I think when you connect it, it will also indicate it directly. Brand new, but already some minor scratches here. So I think when it was produced, they got some scratches on the warehouse or somewhere. Okay, so let's test it out. I will bring my laptop and be back to you. Alright, so let's check it out with a MacBook. So I've got Type-C cable. Actually, it's up to 60 watt here from Messenger, but I guess it also should work fine with 65 watt as well. And I've got MacBook Air M1, which actually is needed only 30 watt charging, but let's try it with 65. So I'm connecting to USB-C port and we'll show you how it looks like. Charging is ongoing. So as you see here, we have the percentage and it's showing, I don't know if you see focus, it's showing out. So it's, and system report, let's check it out. Okay, searching for the power here. Now it's 86%. How fast is charging? Should be somewhere here. Okay, 60 watt. Actually, I think the cable is really limited to 60 watt. So I will try. I have another cable here, which is from the Apple original cable. I'm disconnecting previous cable and connecting the original cable. I think it should support the maximum output here. I need to restart it. System report and power 65. Yeah, it's a cable, so actually 60 watt means really 60 watt here. So even 65 watt here, and let's try it out. I have another cable here, which is Baseus one. Let's connect my Samsung phone to the USB port of the power bank here. So connecting two ports, charging going, and let's check it out. What it will show should be 40 or 45, I guess. 45, but let's check it out. Power 45, yet again 45, and charging my phone same time. You see here charging available, and charging should be, let me just check here how much watt it should be. 18 watt, yeah, 45 watt plus 18 watt here, which is relatively fast and working perfectly. So basically, let me all disconnect it and try to put to charge it, how it will look like. So as you see here, now it's discharging and I'm connecting it to power source, the power bank, and let's try it out. So I'm connecting to another power bank with Type-C. Okay, let's try the regular USB cable here. Should be charging. Okay, nice. Indicating here and the percentage. And what I saw when I just connected something else was here. Okay, you see voltage, ampere. Maybe you can click. Oh, nice. You can see even voltage and ampere in here. Look, when you click on the power button, you see voltage 4.8 volt, 2.3 amperes. So you can find out the watts here. Actually, it's around a bit less than around 12 watt here. But nice that you can see it. For output, you can also see it. Let's check it out again. Let's connect the MacBook here again. It's interesting feature to know. Okay, 20 watt, 0.5 ampere. Really not a lot. 10 watt only. It depends on power consumption, I guess. When we launch something, when we click, I think 20 watt, 1 ampere now. Let's click more aggressively. Let's open some heavy apps here. Let's change something. You see the ampere is growing. Interesting. Same for charging, so you can easily check it out all the time and control it. And let's try one more time when we connect it, what it indicates. Actually nothing. Let's try with my phone. So same here, connecting to phone. Okay, indicating super fast charging. and 10 volts, 2.5 amperes, so it's only 25 watt. Alright, basically that's pretty much it for the review. I think it's really worth to buy. It's good for its price. The price is around $60. I got it. You can even find it, I guess, cheaper on AliExpress. But the quality is good and works fine. Real 65 watt. So really recommend to buy. In case you still have some questions, just leave it in the comments below. I will perform some additional testing. And put the thumbs up and see you next time.